You can see the system is on. Now I'm going to show you that using access card to enter the home without alarm the system. It's like a door contact. So you can see now the system is not alarmed and it's still on. So what we can do to enter to the home to normalize it. Now back to normal. I want to put it back. This contact is acting like a door, open and close like that. I want to show you that again about without using access card what will happen on the system. So waiting for the arm. So now I'm going to take out the contacts without using access card. So you can see now the alarm was activated. You can see the tone ring. So I need to disarm this. Okay, now system is back to normal. Then you see this home line was activated.